This literature kit on Seedfolks by Paul Fleischman includes vocabulary lists and quizzes that create a complete resource to save time while preparing these lessons. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students make predictions on how certain characters might be connected to each other. Analyze Leona's comments about her experience dealing with officials to characterize her feelings towards them. Answer multiple-choice questions about Virgil's relationship with his father. Students explore Sae Young's actions when the thunderstorm fills the rain collection barrels and relates this back to the themes of the book. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as imagining being Virgil's father and creating a business plan for the baby lettuce idea. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Detail how the setting of the book evolves with the characters in a transformation graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.